This is my water. You can see that's the fence. So this is our lunch. Finally. Good morning, guys. It's currently 9:30 something, and we have just done with our breakfast. And today we're going to do outside work, that is rice plantation. So I'll be taking you through what I'll be doing today, a whole day, how we do that, and what I'll be doing today. So I hope you guys will come along with me and enjoy my today's vlog. So yeah, let's get started. This is my water, and now we are moving to work. Huh? Huh? It's quite far from our home, so that's why we have packed our lunch. Here you can see those are the white flowers bloomed. It's goat's favorite grass, and that's my husband walking. Last time it rained for more than half a month, and since it's summer, so plants, flowers, everything started growing, and I can see greeniness because it's summer, right? I can also see changes in flower pots. Usually in winter, since it's a dry season, so there won't be much rainfall. We can see the flowers dry, even we water, it's not that green, like because the season is dry, so it's dry, right? But I mean, I have seen the changes even in our flower pots. The flower has started growing so beautifully. You can see that's the fencing that we need to do, but some of the people, they haven't yet finished fencing. Here you can see this is how we are supposed to do fencing. This is exactly how we should do fencing. My husband, he is already ahead of me. So everywhere you can see here, it's all cardamom. It's all cardamom. Our house is that side, but our house is not seen here. Oh my god. Here it's all cardamom because the main income source here is cardamom. So, you know, all cardamom here. Here our house is seen now. That's our house, and there you can see the fields. Baban hai? क्या फाड़ा चिल्लो मत करते बड़ा
यो त बदमासै छ तिमीले हेर्दै यो
Higher. Now we are moving towards my sister's home, Bida's home. I don't know if she's watching or not, but you're gonna miss your home, okay? This is it. This is our uncle and auntie's home. They're our first cousin. Hi! This is it. बिदाले देखाइदिनु घर भन्थ्यो.
बिहानै गएको छ खोलामा
तिर्खा मेरो लागि हुन्छ हौ. I'm very thirsty. Vida will miss this. No? Now we are going back. God, I just reached here. You can see how tired I am. I'll meet you after I take bath. Finally, I took a bath, guys, and honestly, it feels so good. The fact is that I couldn't take a bath there at Gasoline because of this laziness. But anyways, I'm very happy that I got back my energy to take a bath. Usually when we do work outside means I do take a bath every day if it is about working outside every day because I just cannot withstand the sweats in my body and it just rise up and start itching and I just cannot sleep of this itchiness. So yeah, I'm very happy to take a bath. I didn't wash my hair because I thought I'll wash it tomorrow. My girl, she is watching cartoon now. From morning itself, she haven't watched because her grandmom she doesn't know how to unlock my phone. Also, I just forgot to unlock it for her in the morning. I'll be taking some rest and I'll see you after some time because I need to take rest. Currently, it is 6 7. It's already dark outside. I've got some of the laundries to be done, so I'm gonna go do that first. Washing machine is washing my clothes. At the meantime, it's like there's this timer, so they will send the notification. If it is done, means it's gonna sound map. So meanwhile, I'll just go out and see if I have got some clothes to pick or not. I'll just go up and check out. This movie is kind of like I just don't like. Look at that. I'm here on a balcony because I think I need to pick some of the clothes. Just यो अम्ला त के भएर दुख्यो यस्तो साह्रो So I'll dry my clothes tomorrow because it's already night. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. So guys, I'm done with my laundry. And now I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that my mom she had sent to me. Stuff in a sense like some snacks, okay? She had sent it with this toast. दिगोटी माथि एउटा ब्याग छ नि हौ त्यहाँ. And here is this cream biscuit. There was another like this, but my girl she had that. And here is this shimtak, my favorite. त्यसरी यो एउटालाई त कसलाई पनि दिनु हुँदैन. And here is this jelly candy for my girl. So this is my dinner, guys, and this is my water. My girl she was eating food here, but then she just left it. And now I'm here. I just forgot to bring my tripod. Currently it is 8:15 or 20 something. I just forgot the time. So I have here this yarn because guys, I'm going to knit muffler for myself because the winter here is, god, unbearable. So I want to knit everything beforehand. I want to knit everything beforehand, and when the winter comes, when the winter starts, then I just want to be ready to wear my anything, like be it socks, muffler. I haven't yet finished knitting the baby sweater because I'm still in the process. But then I think it's gonna take a long time. So I need to give some time since I really love this yarn. It's not like the other type of yarn, but this is really nice. I mean, it's a good quality at the same time. It's really nice. I have finished this much and I went to live stream, but I saw a lot of my viewers, they were not joining, so I just, yeah, I mean, I just stopped and I have to sleep now. And with this, I'm gonna keep my vlog till here. If you guys are still watching, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my tomorrow's vlog. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Good night for now. Bye.